this jazz, and like I know it's just for personal consumption, and I don't think someone out there will view, but who knows if maybe na mo view. Baka merong mo view nito, no? Right? So like, this is just like a simple video diary for something good happens to me, and that is I passed the Ingo demo class, Mac, Mac demo rather class, Mac demo class, and then um, wala lang, masaya lang ako, like, um, background check, I am an graduate of Bachelor of Education, major in English, and I do have 1 year experience in a school settings, but then fortunately I didn't get hired again for the another year. So like it took me several months. I think almost a year right now that I am not teaching in a school settings, but I want to teach again. That's why I tried my luck again, and this time it's an online tutor. I mean ESL companies, and that is Ingo. So before entering Ingo, like applying for Ingo, like I was actually looking for one of a friend, the one who recommended me here, that the passion, the strive of teaching again reunites in my heart, and that is how I became, or like I applied, and then actually talaga I applied last December, and I was let's just say it's before applying for the Mac demo class, you need to pass a language test, and I passed it. Unfortunately, during that time, it was a peak season wherein teachers was, I mean, no, like tutors was like massive hiring. That's why I didn't get it on December last 2024. So that's why I went into um I actually tried my luck again. Or no, I did not try my luck again, but um, in 2025, Ingo told me that I passed the language test, and then I was um, appointed. I do have a slot appointment for a demo class, so it took me actually 3 weeks before answering that appointment. But then because like I do have I work that time. I got the job, and then somehow I really wanted to work that time, and then I resigned, and I'm trying my luck, and then I passed the demo. I'm sorry, I it was quite long. It's my experience, by the way, so I know it's not necessary, but I just want you to know. And um during the demo class, like um my appointment slot is actually it's 10 p.m., but I did not know that it wasn't a Philippine time. Since I'm a Filipino, so I don't know it's not a Filipino time. So instead of 10, the Filipino time of 10 in Ingo is 11. So like I went to my um what do you call that, aunt's house, and then I set up everything, even if it's just 8 p.m. in the evening, and then um the feeling of being nervous but excited and stuff like that, and bored as well, because I want to sleep during that time, but I couldn't because again 11, my schedule appointment is 11. So dito na, I went there. I started exploring the platform, um 8 or 9, and then I again get into the platform for the video call 11:30, I mean 10:30, and then at exactly 11 the evaluator went in, And to tell you honestly and frankly, I was quite nervous, and especially during the demo. Like in the mm, first minute, the evaluator asked me question. I mean, maybe if I do have a question, and then I asked. Nagtanong ako, and then though it's quite explainable, but then nagtanong ako, and then after that, demo na. Kasi nga, I mean, ang bilis lang talaga ng demo. To tell you honestly, it's really fast because the evaluator has a lot to evaluate, and it it just took me 15 minutes, I think, in both daily news and free conversation, because somehow, I mean, noon raw, um, free demo and free conversation and daily lesson was split into 15 seconds, 15 minutes, but then during my evaluation, 15 minutes is for daily news and free conversation. Hala, kasi na, since super kanga-kanga pa ako noon, like, I do have a word na hindi ko masyadong sagutan, and then when the demo class ended, I already told myself, oh, maybe I did not get into the platform because the evaluator told me that I am speaking in vernacular somehow. Because, like, for example, yes, you may, sige, like that, like, yung kaba is there, and then, things happen, so, sabi ko na sa kaibigan ko na, friend, I think I did not get it kasi nga, the review was not quite positive. But then she told me na, you did well, and then, I told her na, hindi pala ako sinabihan na pasado ba ako or hindi. Sabi niya na, mag-i-email yan later. So, like, after she told me that, I checked my email, and then, yeah, uh, I saw an email telling me that my account was ready for pre-activation. It was just so amazing. Like, um, the feeling na hindi mo talaga na-expect na makukuha mo yun. And that's how I felt during that time. And masaya lang ako, honestly. So I'll keep this video. Maybe some of you out there wants to know the process of InGo, and then you want to have some tips, even though kanga-kanga ako, tanga-tanga tayo dito, pero baka may gustong manood and then somehow want to learn, just comment. Anyways, bye!